here. Once again, New York City, Accelerate. The man that travels all around the world, the man that hosts events all around the world, the monkey that is the most famous monkey within the Solana ecosystem, the very own Jimmy. How are you feeling, man? How you doing? How are the vibes here in New York City?
Wow, Accelerate has been amazing. This is the day one and everybody's out and about. Everybody's going around. Solana Spaces is killing it. We're right now outside Solana Spaces. It's good to see many different communities come together in different forms, different support. This is an amazing community. This is a home, really away from home for everybody in Web3. And we're just super pumped to be a part of it.
Bro, you guys get together, put some of the craziest events, the best events. You guys are here also doing something. Tell us what you're doing here at Accelerate this week.
Yeah, Accelerate, have you heard of the unofficial closing party?
And it's official to me.
Right now it's official. Yeah, so on the 23rd of May, which is Friday, I believe, in case I get my dates wrongly, just remember, it's 23rd of May. Together with Soulflare, we're putting together the unofficial closing party. It's going to be really, really fun.
Don't want to miss that.
Yeah, not many information is out. We haven't released much information about it, but it's going to be fun. Just make sure that you're signed up for it. And there will probably be a limited pool of slots available, but if you haven't yet signed up, quickly do so. There's a couple ways that you can get involved. One is to own a ticket of the Solstice event, which is happening in late June, where we are hosting the Solstice event for the Solana ecosystem. Think about a non-conference conference for the Solana ecosystem to really come together and see some of the cool consumer products happening. So if you own that ticket, sign up for it, you'll get instantly approved.
So how many bananas is that?
Well, if you are a fellow monkey, the good news is you definitely get access, and it feels like you already got the alpha before I could share it. So I think it's around 300 bananas or so. Well, if you're an active monkey, you definitely qualify for it.
Hey Jimmy, how many bananas do I get for this interview?
Well, let's not put this on record.
Man, look guys, we're at the Solana Spaces store. And there is some just awesome merch here. I'm wearing a hat that has never been seen or owned before. And man, you know what? I literally just asked him, how do I steal this? And he was like, I don't think you could do that. And I said, well, we're going to figure that out. But check out the merch. If you're in New York City and Accelerate, you definitely have to come down, because even the t-shirts that you got, you're rocking one of the new t-shirts, right?
Yeah, this is one of them. This is the new design. We believe that crypto merch should be friendly, should be something that is desirable, attractive, should be something that people will be comfortable wearing out with your friends, with your family, and not be looked at like as if you're a weirdo. And that's like one of the new direction that we're trying to go forward with very aggressively. So this is what it looks like, the new design. If you are here for Solstice, we have a new lineup, which is the New York merch, New York Monkey merch. I think you probably have seen the preview.
Hey man, I saw the preview and I saw that you had a New York Knicks themed MonkeDAO. And let me tell you something, I was on the website literally trying to figure out how do I just max allocate, just give it to me all, because I was like, these are absolutely fire, man. Whoever
sounds like a whitelist to me.
I think it was Stroll that put these together, right? Because hey, we got to make sure he gets a
100%
an upgrade or some bananas for the design.
Stroll is an amazing team member of ours. He's been innovating with a couple of designs play, and the New York line is just one of them. Stay tuned for more. We have been working on the Japanese line of merch. We've shown some of them and released some of them to the Japanese monkey community as well. But the New York one that is upcoming will be very, very fun.
Yeah, look, I think I wanted to kind of just highlight MonkeDAO. What's the vision for 2025? You guys have been, again, every town hall has been just straight alpha. And we always learn something new. And I'm just excited now to understand more of where you're seeing 2025, as it's already shaped in 6 months left, and Abu Dhabi even on the road. We know about Solstice and what's that happening. But what do you see the next 6 months right now?
Yeah, I think for us wise, MonkeDAO has always been one of the OG community on Solana. We've been around since August 2021. One thing that we have always taken on slightly differently in terms of perspective, beliefs, etc., is that we believe that community is the core focus, is the most important piece. When people ask, what's your product, we believe very strongly that community is our product. And so we do a lot of the initiatives, activities, etc., that invest in our people. because that's the most important thing about MonkeDAO. We grow initiatives like local chapters. Today we have over 20 different local chapters all around the world. We position MonkeDAO as the premier country club, premier Web3 country club. So think about it, you can come together with your fellow monkeys no matter where you are in the world, hang out, network, get to meet cool people, and that's what we are spending time, focusing on over the next couple of months. We continue to build out more chapters, put out systems and processes that allows people to organize meetups very effectively as well.
Yeah, I think you just hit some key notes there that really kind of like makes you understand more of the MonkeDAO, especially like the country club idea, right? And I think like as you look at like what that is, it's all about the community and bringing communities together, but to have fun. And I think you've shared it even before about like this vision about even the t-shirts. You want it to be something where you could do this with your family, go to the dinner and hey, eventually maybe we'll do button downs and go to like a fancy dinner and have some sort of monkey on a casual polo shirt or button down.
I like that.
You see it? But I think what that really is doing is we're starting to finally speak the language that everybody else can.
100%.
And I think that's something that you guys have been breaking through right now is how do we get more and grow more and have everybody be comfortable being here and not be, oh my God, this is an NFT community.
100%.
Oh my God, I have to hold this NFT. I think that, even from the website and how you guys earn the bananas and everything is a gamified way that anybody could understand. It's
100%.
not, hey, there's a token or this, hey, all these things. You make it very, very simple and very easy. I'd love for you to tell us, like, where do you guys see that as well? Like, why you guys are trying to simplify it, knowing how Web3 degenerate we all are.
100%. Now, so the way that we're looking at it is that, look at it this way. Meta's changed, almost every other couple of months, right? But if you truly look at it, the one thing that remains the same is the community. And this is one of the reasons why we have always put on a very strong emphasis on like, hey, yes, we originated as a NFT committee. People came together as an NFT committee, but it doesn't have to be always limited to just the speculative mechanism in which the industry has been long known for primarily, right? So we're just doing our part to make sure that we can contribute and make a change in our own way, where, we're looking at NFTs as the token gating mechanism, and truly is not about reinventing the wheel, because people do come together, right, in the longest time through like interest groups. People collect stamps, people collect fanciful cars. These are interest groups. Mm-hmm. But now with NFTs, with blockchain, simply we are able to organize people in a decentralized fashion and in a much more scalable manner. Yeah. And that's the breakthrough. That's the breakthrough. But we're keeping things simple. Look at it from the perspective, it's a way for us to effectively organize people at scale. But, pretty much, the concept of country club is something that is relatable. People find value in coming together to know people who are working in the same industry, right, for partnerships, etc. and whatnot. And that's how we're looking at it. And which is really, to offer a different perspective and say that, hey, right, NFTs don't have to just be about speculation.
Totally. I think that you just hit it on the money, right? It's about the interest group that you're a part of, and how many more interest groups you were part of before you came into Web3, and why you are here, right? I think, like, let me ask you this one question. I love New York City because you get all the chaos, by the way.
I love it.
And I love filming.
This is why it's so diverse, and this is the city to be in.
Yeah, and I love filming outside because you just get the real New York City.
All the good vibes.
Oh, yeah. And I always say this, right? Web3 is chaotic. Why not film outside and let it be as chaotic as it is, right?
You want it really raw, you want to see the city as is, you don't want to be in like a cooped up in a studio where it's not the real
behind the
city
Twitter
vibe.
Spaces?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, this is the town hall outside. Can we call this a town hall outside?
Next time we should experiment doing a town hall outside. Yeah, 100%. That's a great idea. I love it.
Jimmy, let me ask you a couple of last questions before we gotta head out of here. What are you looking forward to this week? Is there an event that you're looking forward to?
Well, it would be a huge disservice to not, mention the Friday event that we're doing.
Yeah.
That's one thing that we're really looking forward to.
Yeah.
But as part of this trip, we're also doing a lot of side recce to help us tie up some of the loose knots for the Solstice event that we're putting together. Again, towards the later part of June. I know the first half of 2025 has been insane, but why not end it with a bang? Come together with us, hang out in New York City, the city to be in, the land of dreams, the city of dreams, the city of opportunities, most importantly, and we will be able to have a lot of fun, lots of fun activation, experiences, and whatnot. Put away all the suits and all the common sort of interpretation of what conferences is like. Just come together and have fun. So that's the Solstice part. But specific to the salary will be the Friday closing party. And of course, the Ship or Die conference, where the Solana community, the Solana ecosystem is really coming together, and you really get to see everything that is happening within the Solana community, the Solana ecosystem, some of the most exciting developments.
Jimmy, you're here. You're outside of Web3. What are you going to do to disconnect? Is there a place you want to go check out? Statue of Liberty, Times Square? Or hey, is there somewhere you want to go eat at? Is there a restaurant you got, favored that you said, if I have time to sneak out, this is where I'm going?
This is hard. I'm not trying to be a nerd, but if I do get a little bit more time, I would love to take a long run by the pier. I think it's really, really nice, and this weather is perfect. As an Asian coming from Singapore, this weather is perfect to get a run in. It's not too warm, so I would love to take a long run by the pier. I hope it doesn't sound too nerdy, but that's what I'm actually really looking forward to.
That could be content right there. Maybe we go for a morning run, right?
Sounds like a great idea.
Hey, Jimmy's coming up with the ideas. It's all live here. You know what I'm saying? You got to follow MonkeDAO. Give us the plug. Where do we want to follow you? What accounts? How to get on everything?
Well, follow us on X at MonkeDAO, MonkeDAO. Remember, monkey without the Y. This is what makes us unique. MonkeDAO. Follow us on X, and you get all the information that you need to know. We also have a town hall. If you're a member, you should join us every other week, every Friday, 12 p.m. EST without fail. We'll be there. We also have an end of the month session on X where it's more public. So if you are not a member yet, you're curious to find out more, you can also join us on Friday, the last Friday of the month on X.
And maybe in the future we'll do them live outside.
100%. Sounds good.
Hey.
Sounds like a very fun idea. Thank you for having me.
Hey, Jimmy, anytime. And that's another one here at the Solana Spaces. Make sure you come check out the merch. The exclusive hats. Check those out. Yeah.